Welcome to this video presentation here at Glenbourne's. Here we have the Renault Clio automatic on a 57 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, first of all, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls on the inside of the car from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way around. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle at the top, we have a trip computer. You can change the information that's displayed there for various things, of course, including the total miles on this car, which are only 41,146. So very low mileage for the car's age, of course. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have our cruise control buttons on here. Behind the steering wheel, we then have stereo controls, as you can see. Over into the center, we have the climate control. So you can adjust the temperature in the car, the fan speed up and down. You can determine what direction you'd like the air distributed in. The air conditioning's on at the minute, so you can turn it off, back on again, or you can hit auto. The car will then take full control for you to maintain the temperature that you've asked for. Any manual adjustment will override that straight away. Below that, we have the stereo. So you can adjust the volume. You can go through your various radio modes and select your CD. And you have a screen up here to reflect what it is you're doing here. We have the start and stop button for the car. Hazard warning lights. If I move the gear lever out of the way. Deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the car doors. 2 cup holders. Then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. The last thing I wanted to mention, which is very unusual to find in a Renault Clio, twin sunroofs. You can leave it like this, and as you can see, that lets in a huge amount of extra light to the cabin area, or you can twist this dial, and this front section will actually open as a full-size sliding sunroof, as you can see. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you.